Hey guys, today we will be making a few origami animals. These will be an origami dog, an origami cat, and an origami whale. For these, we will be needing three 8x11 pieces of paper, a pair of scissors, and a black marker. These are the easier versions. However, if you get stuck, feel free to pause and rewind the video. If you want to make more of these, there are the 3D versions on origamiwhale.com. You can also search them up or find another YouTube video. Now, for the origami whale, you're going to need one piece of paper, a pair of scissors, and a black Sharpie. To start, you are going to need an 8x11 piece of paper. To make this into a square paper, you're going to fold it diagonally, fold it in half at the end, and then make a crease down the line. Then you're going to take the pair of scissors and cut the extra part off. With the extra part, you can either throw this out or use this for something else. You're not going to need this for the origami whale. Your next step is to open it up like so. Then you're going to need to fold a triangle to the crease that you made while making it into a square. Now you are going to make a crease. You are going to do that on the other side. Then you're going to take the top and fold it to the two triangles that you've already folded. Next, you're going to fold it in half. Now you may see some resemblance from this and the other origami whale. You're going to flip it over so it looks like a quadrilateral with the two smaller sides. There. Now to make the tail, you can fold the triangle upwards at any point, it doesn't really matter, and then fold it inward. Now to make the face, you are going to take a marker, make the eye, and then add the mouth. You can also do this on the other side, however, you don't have to. To stop it from unfolding, you can also take a small piece of tape, fold it into a loop, place it on the inside, and then squish it shut. And now you have your origami whale. Now I'm going to teach you how to make an origami dog. First, you are going to need to make the
square paper again. So again, you are going to need to fold the 8x11 sheet of paper or whatever paper you are using into a triangle. Then you are going to cut off the excess paper, which you will not need for your origami dog. Now, crease. Then you're going to unfold and fold the dog ears outward at a slight angle, like so. It does not have to be exactly like mine, but make sure it is not completely at a forward angle or at an outward angle. Try to make it similar to each other. Now you're going to need to flip it over and then fold this backwards. And then flip it over again and fold this backwards. And you have your origami dog. Now, if you want to make it so it doesn't unfold as much, you can put a few pieces of tape on the ears. However, you do not have to do this. So you fold it into a loop. Put it where the flap of the ear is. Fold it down. You can do this on both sides. You do not have to do this. And then you can make the nose. You can do a dot, or you can do bug face, and then you can make the eyes like so. Now you have your origami dog like this.
Now we are going to be making an origami cat. For this, you will also need a pair of scissors, black Sharpie, and a piece of paper. First, you are going to make a square again. And cut off the excess paper. Now you're going to make a fold here. Okay, so now you have your square, and now you are going to fold one edge down the line and crease. Then you are going to do that again and make another crease. Then you are going to fold down from the middle on both sides. This one is a little more tricky, so feel free to pause and go back at any time. Now you should have this. Now you are going to go to the edge of this paper right here and fold up like so. Make a crease. Then you're going to fold it on the other side. Make a crease. Then you are going to flip it over and after you flip it over again, you're going to now fold down the middle, like so. Now you can flip it over. And now you're going to make the cat part of it. You're going to fold it upward and then downward a little bit. Now you can make the two eyes. Like so. You may want to flip it over again and add a couple pieces of tape just to make it a little more stable. Like so. And so. Now you have your origami cat, your origami dog, and your origami whale.